So let's talk about what a rational function is. So a rational function is a function that can be written as the quotient of two polynomial functions, p of x and q of x. So f of x is p of x divided by q of x. So just to note that, so p is a polynomial, q is a polynomial. So we have a general form of the polynomials written, and it might be a little confusing the way they've written it. So you have a sub p x to the p, a sub p minus 1 x to the p minus 1, plus dot 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 plus a1x plus a sub 0. And then b, q. And what we're trying to get at is just to distinguish that these might have different degrees, so that the numerator and denominator don't necessarily have the same degree. They could, but they don't have to be a polynomial or a rational function. So you get b sub q x to the q plus b sub q minus 1 x to the q minus 1 plus dot 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 plus b1x plus b sub 0. So that's a rational function. Let's let's do a problem with a rational function. A large mixing tank currently contains 100 gallons of water into which 5 pounds of sugar has been mixed. A tap will open, pouring 10 gallons per minute of water into the tank. At the same time, sugar is poured into the tank at the rate of 1 pound per minute. Find the concentration in pounds per gallon of sugar in the tank after 12 minutes. Is that a greater concentration than at the beginning? So let's talk about the water in the tank. Water is going to be initially 100 gallons, and then we're going to add 10 gallons per t minutes. For sugar, we initially start off with 5 pounds of sugar, and then they add 1 pound per minute. So 5 plus t. So concentration, we're looking at sugar per gallon. So concentration at time t is going to be 5 plus t for the sugar over 100 plus 10t for the water. So our concentration after 12 minutes is going to be 5 plus 12 over 100 plus 10 times 12. So this would be 17 over 100 plus 120, so it'd be 220. And, well, I don't think that's, when I say don't think, that's not going to reduce because 17 is prime. What was our initial concentration? So at time 0, t equals 0, we had basically 5 over 100, which is 1 over 20. So what's bigger, 17 over 220 or 1 over 20? Now, if I write correctly, it'd be helpful. And we could just do that old thing where multiply those and multiply these. 17 times 20, I've got my calculator. So that'd be a 340 over here, and compared to a 220 over here. So it looks like 17 over 220 is bigger, so it has more concentration now. So it's more concentrated after 12 minutes. Okay, we'll stop with that. The next video is going to be about domains.